Okay, what is a trade line? All right, so most of you guys who are new to this probably don't know what it is, but a trade line is a credit account that reports history, credit limits. It reports the lender, boosts your credit score, and if you guys have a new credit score, you guys can get approved for funding and lots of stuff. But Credit Karma will notify you if a trade line is being added, if a collection is there, hard inquiries. Basically, this is very mandatory if you guys want funding, credit cards, and more. Now, other benefits you guys can get: car approvals. Now, depending on the trade line you guys add, the more trade lines you have on your credit, the specific type, such as an auto trade line, mortgage, rentals, or installments. Installments are pretty damn important. An example would be a loan, an auto trade line. You guys can get cars with zero down, okay? And the credit score is also important. You need at least a 700 credit score to get zero down payment. Apartment approvals. You still need money to put down for the security deposit, especially if it's a luxury apartment. If you guys don't want to put nothing down on the apartment, try to find a cheap one. Loan approvals. There are places that can approve you up to 300K. But most likely, if you guys never got a loan before, they're going to approve you for a lower limit. They could give you, 10K, 50K, possibly 100K if you have a 800 credit score. Multiple credit cards. You can go through Chase. You can go through multiple people. American Express is very possible, depending on what you have on your credit. So more trade lines means higher credit limit approvals. Don't expect one trade line to get you approved for a $30,000 credit card. That's not realistic. And of course, you can get all types of financing through a firm. If you guys want furniture or any place that does financing, let's say you want to finance a musical instrument, let's say like a expensive guitar through Guitar Center. Having good credit will help you get approved for financing. All right, so how do you buy trade lines? So as I recommend is Nation Credit Lines, but of course there are many other companies out there. I'm gonna leave a few more underneath. You guys could check out Tradeline Rust, Tradeline Privacy. So this company offers primary trade lines that report to all three bureaus. These trade lines are permanent; they're gonna stay on forever. Can be reported on a CPN, can be reported on a business. This type of trade line can report in 24 hours to 1 week. So these are fast reporting, kind of like a hard inquiry. What is needed to report the trade lines? You will have to send over the full name, date of birth, CPN or SSN number. Make sure it's valid, street address. Email this info to the company after purchase. How to pay for the trade line. So most banks, they do not like trade line companies accepting credit cards and debit card transactions because when it comes to trade lines or credit stuff, there is a high chargeback rate with fraudulent stolen credit cards being used. So it's best to use Bitcoin because it's way safer, especially when you guys are trying to purchase a CPN. It's safer to use a Bitcoin because most of the time, CPNs are not really legal, so it's best to stay private and secure. And the company also take Chime payments as well. Almost everybody uses Chime these days, and Bitcoin can be purchased on Cash App, Coinbase, ATMs, and other wallets. Other recommendations: use a CPN for fast results. So Nation Credit Lines pre-applies for credit cards or loans, and they ship the cards to you. So on the right side, you guys can see the service. When you guys are on the site and you guys click on the CPN packages, this will be the first package that will be popped up on the left side. They can apply for up to 3 credit cards with 10K each, and it's going to be random. It can be through Chase, Bank of America. If you guys want a specific bank, just ask them and they will do it for you before you guys make a purchase. And you guys can get all types of financing, get approved for a car, pretty much anything you need, and you can put it under your name and address. But that is pretty much it for the video. If you guys find this helpful, in my next one, I'll be talking about CPNs more in detail. If you guys don't know what a CPN is, I'll go through the whole process on how to make one and what to do with it.